Phones with the best battery life may not sound like the most exciting spec to focus on, but there is no denying its importance. You can have an astounding 100x zoom camera or the fastest performance in the world, but if your phone is dead, it is pretty meaningless. We know that most people are not buying a phone based on the battery life alone, so we have selected the phone that stand out for more than just their battery life. So in this video, I am going to show you top 10 smartphones that comes with the best battery life. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. The latest mid-range phone from Samsung may pack in the 5G connectivity, but that doesn't put a crimp in the Galaxy A52's battery life. The phone will give you up to 12 hours of battery life. Note that you will get this extraordinary battery life when the phone screen is set to 60Hz. The A52 also lets you adjust refresh rate to the very fast 120Hz, a rare feature among the phone under $500. But the only downside here is you should not expect the fast charging from this device, unless you spring for a fast charger. While the Galaxy A52 5G can support 25W fast wired charging, Samsung only includes a 15W charger in the phone's box. That is very disappointing thing. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Moto G Power 2021. When you're looking for a phone with a great battery life, it's usually a good sign when the power is in the name. The Moto G Power 2021 model will do the job, and it only costs you around under $15,000 or $200 in the international market. The Moto G Power has 5000 mAh of battery, but that alone is not what makes for the great battery life. The combination of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor and the 6.4-inch 1080p display is great for battery life, since it's not pushing all the pixels of a giant 4K screen. Camera quality is not the selling point of this phone, but the Moto G Power does have a respectable 48MP camera and a 2MP macro camera on the back. The selfie camera is 8MP, just don't expect anything amazing in the low light photography. Poco F3. The most recent Poco F3 replaces our previous top pick for the best battery life champ, that is Poco F2 Pro. It is currently one of the most powerful smartphones and the most dependable performer when it comes to battery life. This legendary Poco phone has everything a flagship on a budget should pack: a great HDR10 Plus OLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate, and the current Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, and plenty of cameras. The Poco F3 has a large enough 4520 mAh of battery that turn out to be quite dependable. It provides the ultimate gaming or multimedia experience in one charge. And then you can top up the battery life fastly with a supplied 33W fast charger. Consider this smartphone for its great battery life with a fast charging support, cheap yet flagship grade phone, 120Hz OLED screen with a HDR10 Plus support, Snapdragon 888 chipset, versatile camera setup, and IP53 rated. The only disappointment here is there is no microSD card slot and no 3.5mm jack provided. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's a mid-ranger with the outstanding battery life and fast enough charging. It impresses with the higher grade 120Hz AMOLED screen and a 108MP primary camera with enjoyable stills and videos. The Redmi Note 10 Pro is quite the looker too. It has two Gorilla Glass 5 panels and it is also IP53 rated. It packs all sorts of connectivity options including NFC. It is powered by the Snapdragon 732G chipset, which is not as exciting as some faster chipsets within other competitors, but it is sure to get the job done and it is adequate for its price. Buy the smartphone for its great 120Hz AMOLED screen with the HDR10 Plus support, Snapdragon 732G chipset, good camera quality overall, and it comes with the IP53 rated. Also, dual Gorilla Glass 5 protection is there. The disappointment here is there is no night mode on ultra wide and no wireless charging provided. Realme 8. Realme 8 impressed us with its long battery life and fast charging. It also packed one very decent Super AMOLED screen and a capable Helio G95 chip, which does well for gamers and multitaskers. And also good for multitasking. It also offers speedy charging, NFC, a 3.5mm jack, a dedicated microSD card slot, and even FM radio. Its camera setup may be packing 4 shooters, but the photo quality of the main and ultrawide shooter was rather uninspiring as seen in many of the reviews. The Realme 8 is not the best phone, but it is cheap. It has great reviews for its battery life, but the specification would have been better. Consider this smartphone for its Super AMOLED HDR10 screen, solid performance on a budget, 3.5mm jack, micro SD card, NFC and FM radio provided, and it also comes with a 30W fast charging support. Samsung Galaxy A12. Samsung Galaxy A12 is a very affordable smartphone if battery life comes first. It has a large screen with a tiny notch that is ideal for watching videos. The quad camera on the back is also decent too. The phone doesn't impress us with the performance as its screen is just 720p and with the washed out colors. The Android 11 OS and One UI are still quite snappy and good. So the Galaxy A12 is for those of you on a limited budget and prioritizing the battery life above everything else. If that's not the case, then we should probably look elsewhere. Consider the smartphone for its budget price, good quad camera on the cheap phone, NFC, micro SD, 3.5mm jack and FM radio provided, and also the main thing, the battery life is great on this phone. The disappointments here is low resolution screen, poor processor performance. Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro 5G. It has a large 1080p LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate support and the most affordable 5G capable chip, that is Dimensity 700 5G chipset. The M3 Pro scored an excellent 121-hour endurance rating on a battery life test, and it can be recharged faster using the fast charging support provided. The M3 Pro does not offer stereo speakers like the regular M3 model, and the gaming is only possible by using the lowest graphics settings and resolution. But it's an okay phone, quite affordable at that, offering a 5G connectivity. Also, the other attractive features of this smartphone is a great screen, 3.5mm audio jack, NFC and the micro SD card storage provided. Consider the smartphone for its large 1080p screen and small notch, good camera performance, 5000 mAh of battery that comes with the 18W fast charging support, 5G connectivity and stereo speakers. The disappointments are no ultrawide camera provided and gaming would require lowering the screen resolution. Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. The $300 Samsung Galaxy A42 5G is one of the very interesting offer as it has an attractive features like AMOLED screen and a flagship grade performance in addition to its great camera and the longest battery life. It even offers 5G connectivity at that price. There is a catch though. The screen is just 720p resolution and the charging the beefy battery takes longer than we would expect. Then again, at that price, we are getting plenty more than we would have hoped for. Buy this phone for its bright AMOLED display, flagship grade performance, great photo and video quality and recent software. The disappointment is low resolution screen and sluggish charging. Samsung Galaxy M62. The $400 Samsung Galaxy M62 and its large 7000 mAh of battery are an instant attention grabber. Unlike the Galaxy A42 5G that we have recommended you in this list, this M62 comes with a 1080p screen and it is noticeably faster to charge, and it packs a one very capable Exynos chip with the excellent performance. So if the battery and the OLED resolution are of a great importance, this could be the better option. The only thing stopping us to instantly recommend this one is that others have HDR screens and stereo speakers for the same cash, and it is sold mostly in Asia, making it nearly impossible option for the Western markets. Consider this smartphone for its large 7000 mAh of battery with a 25W fast charging support, large 1080p AMOLED screen, promising photo and video quality, and recent software. The disappointment here is it doesn't offer HDR screen at this price. Samsung Galaxy S21. Overall the best smartphone with the best battery life. It is hard to pick a single Android phone that will be perfect for everyone, but the Samsung Galaxy S21 gets the closest. It is big without being ridiculously big, powerful enough to handle anything, and has plenty of cameras to get the best shot. The Galaxy S21 has a 6.2-inch display which sounds huge, but the bezels around it are very minimal. The display is 1080p OLED and has a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and in short, it's a beautiful screen. Powering the phone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 8GB or 12GB of RAM. This is not officially a gaming phone, but it can certainly handle any game you want to play. There are 3 cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21, that is, it has a 12MP front camera and a 12MP ultra wide and a 64MP main camera on the rear. The 64MP camera is capable of taking 8K video recording and allows for pretty good optical zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S21 usually goes for around $800 in the international market and available for a price of 65 to 70,000 Indian rupees. Buy this phone for its excellent display, powerful processor and 4 years of software support from Samsung. The only disappointment here is it is an expensive device. So these are the top 10 best smartphones with the best battery life that you can consider to buy in 2021. If I had left any of the best phone in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.